Mistake 58. Believing urgent family emergency calls. Few things trigger panic faster than a call about a loved one in trouble. A grandchild arrested, a child injured, a relative in an accident, a family member needing bail, a loved one stranded, a voice crying for help. Scammers know this. The mistake is sending money during an urgent family emergency call without verifying the situation through another channel. Why people make this mistake. Family love bypasses caution. If you believe your child or grandchild is in danger, you want to act immediately. You do not want to ask too many questions. You do not want to delay help. You do not want to be the reason something bad happens. Scammers create exactly that pressure. They may pretend to be the loved one, a lawyer, police officer, doctor, or friend. They may say, "Please don't tell mom. I'm embarrassed. I need bail. I'm in the hospital. I caused an accident. I need money now." Artificial intelligence can make this worse by allowing voices to sound more convincing. But even without AI, panic can make people hear what they fear. A common real-life example. Morris, 75, a retired postmaster from Montgomery, Alabama, receives a call from someone crying and saying, "Grandpa, I'm in trouble." The voice sounds like his grandson, or he thinks it does. Then another person comes on the line, claiming to be an attorney. They say money is needed immediately for bail, and that the family should not be told because the grandson is embarrassed. Morris sends the money. Later, he learns his grandson was never in trouble. Morris is not careless. These scams confuse careful, intelligent people. The scammer used love, urgency, and secrecy to exploit a grandfather's worst fear. What it can cost. Family emergency scams can cost thousands of dollars quickly. Scammers may ask for wire transfers, cash, gift cards, cryptocurrency, payment apps, or courier pickup. They may come back for more money after the first payment. The emotional damage can be intense because the victim acted out of love. They may feel embarrassed, angry, or betrayed. The family may also feel shaken because the scam exposed how easily fear can be weaponized. The best protection is a family verification plan made before a crisis. What to check instead. Create a family safety rule. If someone calls with an emergency, verify before sending money. Use a family code word. Call the person directly. Call another family member. Ask personal questions only the real person would know. But remember that scammers may know public information. Do not rely on caller ID. Do not follow instructions to keep the situation secret. Do not send money through unusual methods. If someone says secrecy is required, treat that as a warning sign. Real emergencies can be verified. Questions to ask before responding. Ask, have I spoken directly to my loved one through a known number? Have I called another family member? Is the caller demanding secrecy? Are they asking for unusual payment? Are they rushing me? Does the story make sense? Can I use a family code word? Would police, hospital, or court information be verifiable? Am I being asked to act before thinking? Can I pause for 5 minutes? 5 minutes of verification can save thousands of dollars. The wealth peer takeaway. Family emergency scams use love as pressure. Before sending money, verify through a separate, trusted channel. Create a family code word and a rule. No secret emergency payments. Protecting family includes refusing to let scammers weaponize your love.